Kev G weather overview. Happy St. Patrick's Day to one and all. It's a chilly Sunday across the tri-state area with temperatures in the 40s, a little bit windy out there, gusts up to 20 miles an hour today. So if you're heading out and you're kind of having a lazy Sunday and you're heading out, bring the coat with you. It's going to be chilly. So it was chilly yesterday, chilly today. I think that for the most part we start off chilly, but then we get warmer as we head into the first couple of days of spring 2019. And what a difference between this year and last year. If you recall, last year we had 4 nor'easters to deal with in that month of March. It was a notorious month for winter weather around here, and we had quite a bit of hardship, really. I mean, especially north and west of the city, people lost power. There was quite a number of storms to deal with, a lot of snow. Not the case here in year 2019. In fact, I think our snow days are basically over, because the later we get into March, and especially when we get into April, it just becomes climatologically, darn near impossible, especially if you're near the coast. Now, in April of '82, that was your biggest snowstorm past March 25th around here, but that was a statistical anomaly, so to speak. But the overall pattern is such where I think it's going to be interesting just to watch the upper atmosphere this week, because frankly there's really not a lot going on with respect to chances for rain or any big storms. So it's very quiet across the country right now in terms of the weather, and it's going to remain that way as we kick off spring 2019 in an official capacity. So let's look at the overall pattern. Now, this is Tuesday. We have lower than normal heights, lower than normal jet stream, and this is basically the pattern that we have now. So if we skip forward to Tuesday, the jet stream is starting to retreat a little bit, but temperatures remain in the 40s for the most part to start our week. And then by Wednesday and Thursday, the flow starts to flatten, and the jet stream starts to retreat to the north. So now we're in a situation where mild air can come in. And I think for Wednesday and Thursday, we get temperatures actually in the 50s. Now for Thursday, unfortunately, we have a frontal zone that's going to work in, and that's going to provide chances for showers, especially in the afternoon. So while it is going to be on the mild side on Thursday, we're going to have to deal with these showers from time to time on Thursday afternoon, Thursday night. Then a storm gets going off the coast. You see that little area of weakness near the southeast coast by Friday? This storm starts to develop, but I think it misses to the east. What it really does is it indirectly affects our weather. So, we have a situation where the storm is going to get going offshore. It's going to start to intensify and wrap itself up, and that's going to create chilly temperatures here for Friday into Saturday. It's going to be windy with that offshore storm sort of nearby, just lashing the area indirectly. And then as we get out to Sunday into Monday, the jet stream starts to lift up, and that'll give us another opportunity for mild conditions as we go into the week of the 24th. And I think that'll stick around for a couple of days before another trough starts to develop by Wednesday or Thursday of next week. So that's a broad, just an overview of where we're going. Now, as we look day to day off the GFS, this is all courtesy of Tropical Tidbits. Now, if we look from day to day, again, we're quiet. Our temperatures start to moderate by Wednesday into Thursday. And then by Thursday, we have to deal with that frontal zone, and that'll deliver some showers in the afternoon and the evening, but temperatures will be on the mild side. So highs will be in the 50s. And then that offshore storm starts to develop by Friday, and you can see the lines of equal pressure. They start to pack near the area, and when they get together like that in a tightening fashion, that basically means that we're going to have windy weather for Friday into Saturday as that storm, sort of lashes the area offshore. It actually delivers some snow into northern Maine. And then it's quiet for the rest of the weekend. So here we go. Weather Underground. Not a bad week. Not a bad week. We start off spring in a very nice fashion. I think you have to watch out for those rain chances on Thursday. Friday, I think, might be too optimistic with a high of 53. I think it's going to feel chillier than that with that storm sitting close by. Saturday, 46 looks fine. And then Sunday, quite mild. And I think that's the way we're going to start off the week of the 24th. So overall, a fairly calm weather pattern as we head into the first days of spring 2019.